You know about it. I know about it. We all know about it. Okay, everybody told us that concentration and focus comes with calm and quiet spaces. Yeah, sure. Like if you want to work to be focused on your task, you need a clean desk, you need zero sound, zero noise, you need the headphones that cancel every noise around you. You need to be 100% focused on your task. I was assisting a small workshop on deep work a couple of months ago, and the guy was really telling us that. And I think it's a really good advice. But I was listening to a podcast from Tim Ferriss today, and he told us on the episode that he personally loves being in a cafe, being surrounded by noise. And it's the same for me. I thrive in a noisy environment. Why? Because personally, when there is noise around me, I just must focus. I have zero other options. If I don't focus, I'm screwed. If you are in a quiet, calm place, you can do whatever you want. You can leave your mind wandering. And so I think it really depends on how you work, on who you are. So make sure that when people give you advice about how to behave, how to concentrate, how to be the best version of yourself, always try to think, is this advice relevant for me or not? For this kind of stuff like focus, for most of the people, of course it is. Of course, distractions are bad. Of course, your brain needs some calmness in order to function in the best way. But for me, for example, at the family where I work, there's always people, there's always things happening, and I don't really care. There's people who need a room, a private room, headphones and stuff. I don't care. So think about you, think what's the best for you, and just do it because if you know that it's good for you, you just need to continue executing the same thing. Hope you liked it. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.